Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing this lock set for the entry door. It has a lever and a digital keypad. So let's open the box and see what's in it. Okay. Okay, we have the two boxes in here. When you get your box, on the back you will see the contents right here. So the digital keypad with the deadbolt, and on the outside, this goes on the inside. The two levers, the inside and outside, and the latch right here. And of course, it contains all the screws and hardware for it to fully install it. These are the measuring guides, installation instructions for the lever, so here's my lever and the box of hardware for it. Have the latch and the screws. And this must be our digital deadbolt. Instructions and measuring guides as well. This is the door and wall hardware, the deadbolt itself. There we go. Have the wiring right here. This is going to be on the outside. This is what it looks like on inside of your home. This is where the batteries go. All right, bracket in here. Okay, and a set of keys. All right, so that's basically all the contents of the box.
So instead, there must
To unlock, you're going to put in one of your codes that you've preset. Then just to lock, you're going to press and hold it, and it'll lock your door.